We're up on this Class C. Wanted to show you something. Before, I've always talked about how much this builds a moat up, and you keep packing and packing and packing, and that's what they want you to do. You gotta keep checking. You see it, you gotta keep doing it. Well, we got up here and we looked at this, and you can see that almost looks sealed. That's real close. Somebody would overlook that little bit right there. See it? And you can see water is getting up underneath there. You can see it right there. Right there. See it? I'll bet I can peel. Oops, I can peel that right up. None of this is stuck. None of that is stuck on there. And that's what they want you to do when you go to an RV center. So that's why you need to have all these heat welded in. You need to have those curbs up there. It keeps them out of the roof line. You don't have all this crummy caulking on here, and this is just low budget caulking anyways. So, but we just wanted to show you these clips on this. This is a skylight, by the way. But I'm sure I got more problems over there and everywhere else over here. I'm sure that this looks like a leak right there. Look here, right there. Looks like a leak. Those are just some of the stuff you have to be concerned with when you get up here and check out a roof. If you're going to buy one, you want to make sure that you don't have these issues. You know, because water's still getting up in there. You'd think that was sealed.